Did this cost lives at Grenfell? No sprinklers wanted, a decision made 4 years before the fire.
Can you remember any discussion of sprinklers as an option at Grenfell?
I can't say I do, no. I do solemnly...
Paul Dunkerton worked for the Kensington and Chelsea Tenant Management Organisation, who were responsible for the council's housing.
Thank you very much, Mr. Dunkerton.
The inquiry looked at a document written in 2012 before the tower's renovation took place. It concluded the project would make Grenfell worse in terms of fire safety.
Before this report arrived, were you told that the proposed changes would be making the existing building worse from the fire safety point of view?
No, sorry, I wasn't aware of that.
This fire safety strategy, written 4 years before the fire, has one major omission. It doesn't talk about cladding at all.
I'm sure I read this report.
Did you appreciate, or were you made aware, no mention is made of the intention to overclad the building?
I'm not sure what you mean, sorry. I appreciate it didn't refer to cladding. No,
Would you see cladding's not mentioned, is it?
It's not mentioned, no.
Were you made aware that cladding had been omitted as a feature of the refurbishment?
No, it wasn't my specific role to analyse these in great detail.
Paul Dunkerton also wrote this email where he describes some Grenfell residents as being antagonists. One of them was Edward Defan, a resident who ITV News spoke to on the morning of the tragedy and had warned and complained to the council about fire safety issues years before it actually happened.
Can you help us? Why did you describe as the main antagonists?
Perhaps my choice of words wasn't great, but they were more vocal than other residents or leaseholders in the tower.
The hearing continues tomorrow with more witnesses from the KCTMO. Rags Martel, ITV News, at the Grenfell inquiry.